The honeybees.
Those are honeybees?
Really?
Man, they're baby ones. The all females just like they are now.
I know.
Oh, this is where they're
everything in Costa Rica is more small. Oh, ya la toqué. Bueno, you stay outside only for everything that you need, you know, for your home or for the medicine only. You don't stay outside.
The medicine farm sewer thing down the road from.
He's
not poisonous.
No.
No, his pupils are.
I don't know, George.
He doesn't like me.
Smell is something different in you, eh? Don't worry, me too. This is same problem. You see it almost in the center, the branching here?
Oh, I do see it.
Got it.
It's a really small, yes. More than 67.
This is another pineapple tree. Oh no, they're not trees. They're growing the ground.
Hey, Omar, hold on.
It's pretty impressive.
You want to take a picture?
Claudio, necesito, puedes tomar fotografías. Puede ser que el volcán esté más bonito algunos minutos o puede ser que esté más tapado. Aquí no se sabe nada.
I mean, obviously Vegas was much fun. Well, right here.
The guava is really famous, you know, for uses, marmalade, candy. Y los chiquillos en el campo subimos los árboles y eran como los lugares estos que tenemos en la ciudad para que la gente de las culebras por todo. Remember in the beginning you see it in the suspension.
get up there?
No, we're not gonna go all the way up there. That's what the
Oh,
lava
yeah,
flow.
that's nothing. I get the one that's deep, like a deep crevice. No. I think it's on the way down. I'll look at the name of it. I was curious, but like, I didn't know if it was like on the outer. I don't have either of them. Or downtown.
You got a cooler there with beer, right?
The basaltic rock, guys, and that you're walking now is exactly like this rock. You see it? Esto es como la... Remember, it's a venenous, eh, my friendcito bonito.
Oh, I know, I was just holding it.
Oh, wow, this is beautiful.
Yeah.
Ah,
It's
chicos.
chilling there the whole time. I think it's fake.
Oh, wow, this
I
is...
poked it, it didn't move.
This one is special, guys, because normally you see like a strong colors, and this one is imitation like the black color or like a bronze color. You look at that.
¿Qué animal estará produciendo ese ruido? Aquí se escucha, no sé.
Oh, es una chicharra.
No, yo la única ciudad fronteriza que conozco es Tijuana.
Ah, ok. No, pero aún en Tijuana, sin saber de todavía, poco más.
Pues, pero bueno, la diferencia es que Tijuana pues tiene salida al mar.
Y nosotros no. O sea, sí, ¿verdad?
Sí, no se conozca.
Yo a todo mundo le voy a recomendar que se vengan a Costa Rica.
Sí, yo también.